Hello, people. Still in the spirit of the celebration of the season, I want to welcome you all back to my channel where I'm going to be sharing some valuable nuggets about building wealth through the financial market, the stock market to be precise. First and foremost, I've already created my 2026 mentorship challenge for every of my mentees, investors, students, and whatever you can think about. Now, here is the thing: the challenge is not competitive, it is just to set a target for yourself and then apply the strategies that I'm going to be teaching in my channel, in my live streamings and trainings in order to achieve that. How is this done? First, you must utilize the right strategies. And there are different levels of strategies on how to build wealth. First, you talk about, offsetting your debt. Secondly, you also need to be disciplined in, consistency on your savings. Because if you do not have a savings, you wouldn't be able to invest. So there must be a channel through which money comes in. And then the discipline is when you decide to say, okay, you want to put aside XYZ of your earnings for investment, and then you give it a timeline. The investment could be a 1 year investment plan, which is a short-term investment, or a long-term investment, 2 years, 3 years, as the case may be. That is one. Then the other aspect of it is being able to, compound your profit. All these are very important. So how will you be able to achieve all this if you do not apply the right strategy? And then you can't apply any strategy if you don't have knowledge about those strategies. That is why my mentorship is important for you. Now, there are indexes I have put together for people to focus on in this 2026. If you must build wealth for a lifetime, you must, as a priority, get along these indexes. It is very important. One of those indexes is CSCHD. Yes, this is a dividend ETF, dividend ETF. This is one of those that a lot of you may not understand how these companies, all these indexes pay dividend. If you are buying any share with such a dividend paying company, you have to be able to buy enough of it. You can see from the dividend yield, you have 3.74% annually. 3.74% annually. And how much is the stock price? Just $27.62. And it's actually moving forward. And then for those who have large sum to invest, you also have to look out for have PQ, sorry, that is JP Morgan. This is another dividend paying company that pays monthly dividend. And you see the yield, the dividend yield is 10.13%. 10.13%. A lot of my mentees and even my mentors who have shown me all this, you see them having up to 1,000 units of this stock. 1,000 units of this stock. And then by the time you want to take your dividend outside the growth of the stock, it would have given you a large sum. And these are consistent paying dividend stocks. You see, so these are what you need to put together into your resolution, your New Year resolution, to be able to follow up. You don't follow me for the following sake. You must follow me with a priority, with a goal, with an objective. And those objectives are what you must look at for when you are following me. So that when you are asking me any question about the market, you check your resolution, you check your objective, your goal, your priority. Then when you ask me those questions, I'll be able to answer you and then guide you along. That is mentorship. Otherwise, it would just be a fun fair atmosphere. However, the market is warming up to take up. The market is warming up for an upside this January. It has always been like that. For those who have been following me, 2025 January, you saw what happened in the market, both Nvidia, Netflix, Amazon. You see micro strategies. All these companies, they almost did 200, 300% along the line. So if you want to build wealth, this is the right time to join the mentorship class. This is the right time to join mentorship, because I have a lot of stock that I've put together in my videos that I'm going to be sharing with you, the kind of stock that you need to buy and watch it for 1 year. There's some of the stock that you buy for 3 months, some of the stock that you buy for 6 months, 1 year plus, and all that. We have them lined up. Again, do not buy stock for the moment. Just wait. After the new year, then as from Monday 5th, which is Monday, then we can then pick up, because by that time the market must have consolidated, and then we'll be able to know the right stock to buy. So in case you are any platform that you are using, whether you are using Trove or you are using this is Trove. If you are using Trove, all these stocks are listed there. Of course, for some other platforms, you wouldn't be able to get some of this US stock in them, or Chinese stock, or Euronext stocks, London stocks, Canadian stocks, even Indian stocks. But Trove virtually have all of them, has all of them. And then you come to Optimus. Yes, Optimus, owned by Afrinvest. You can use this to buy as well. Even Bamboo, for those of you who have Bamboo, you can use Bamboo as well to buy. I have my Bamboo where's my Bamboo? I have my Bamboo. So for any of them that you are using to buy, just learn this strategy and apply it. As you apply these strategies, you will see the way your portfolio will be structured and positioned for the pickup. Then let me give you one little gift for this new year. For this new year, the gift is yes, I want to give out this particular gift. Is Wolf, that is Terra Wolf. I'm actually giving it to anybody that wants to buy. If you must buy stock right now, get the stock, add it to your portfolio. Yes, this is Terra Wolf. Terra Wolf is prepared to, in fact, for a maximum upside. So for those of you who are following me, you see why it is important to always understand the way the market goes. Right now, in fact, Bitcoin has gone far deep. It's trading around $87,000. $87,000. That is deepest among all the market. So, and then in January, this stock is going to pick up. This coin is going to pick up, and as it's picking up, the stock like Terra Wolves are going to peak alongside. So guys, make sure you help this video to get at least 50 likes. As you are watching it, just like it. It helps the YouTube algorithm to rate my videos high above many other videos in the market. And if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe. This video is so useful for you and you found value in it. Make sure you watch the next video in my channel. See you guys.